Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you cool tricks such as these two F2L tricks. Okay, so for this case, as you can see, the corner is stuck in its slot while the edge is onto your right, which needs to go into here, and these colors are matching. Lot of people will cube rotate and then do something like this, but instead you should do something like this. Cool, right? For this case, as you can see, we have the pair case, and then this pair needs to go into this slot. What a lot of people do from this angle, they cube rotate and then insert like this. Instead, what you can do is this. There you go. You can do the same thing for this case. As you can see, from this angle, we need to cube rotate and then do this trigger. But instead, from this angle, you can do this. Okay, so for this F2L case, as you can see, this corner and this edge, these two are matching. So what people do is cube rotate, do this, take this out, and then do this case like this, which is not that good because it will take a lot of moves. Instead, from this angle, you can do keyhole. You can do D to get this slot over here, insert this corner into here, and then align it. This is called keyhole, and I'll show you pseudo slotting right now. You can see here the edge is solved, and on this slot this corner is solved. But you guys don't know that this is literally a free pair. From these two like wrong pieces, you can literally solve two F2L case at once. So just do D, insert these two into here, and then just align it. See, this is called pseudo slotting. I'll make a video about this. Now tell me, what will you do for this case? You have these two, and then you have all of the pairs solved. What will you do? A lot of people will cube rotate, push this at the back, and then hide the corner, move the edge, get it back down. Again cube rotate to insert this. Well, this is actually not a good idea. Instead, from here, what you can do is just ignore this back edge, this back slot, and then just do this to just solve the pair. Then at the last, just insert this pair. There you go. So in this case, as you can see, all of the slots are solved. Then we have these two. So what lot of people do will cube rotate, hide this corner, move the edge, get it back down. Cube rotate and then solve this case. Oops. But this is actually not a good idea. Instead of hiding the corner, which will disturb all of these pieces, have you ever thought of hiding the edge? Poor edge. You can just hide the edge, align the corner, then there you go. It is much more faster. There you go guys, this is the end of the video. I'll meet you in my next video, which I don't know what will it be, but stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. I don't think you should be having any questions, but bye guys. Click right over here to see my latest video. Click over here to see the best for viewers. Click down here to see how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and click over here to see the finger tricks. So I'll meet you in my next video.